I'm Eric Huang. I'm the USB Product Marketing Manager at Synopsys. Today I'm here with Terry Moore from MCCI. Terry's going to be demonstrating the MCCI USB 3 software with the Synopsys USB 3 device controller. Terry, take it away.
Thanks very much, Eric. So what we have today is a demonstration of the world's first SuperSpeed media player. So we have, and for that purpose, we have two systems. We have the simulated media player itself on the left and the Windows host on the right. Looking into the media player, we start with the Synopsys SuperSpeed IP, which is on an FPGA port plugged into PCI Express bus. That's running on a standard Windows XP system. In that system, MCCI has ported our cell phone MTP player software. The software is running partially in the Windows kernel, partially in user mode. We put this UI onto the media player to remind us that this is supposed to be small, not quite so large. But this is basically standard software, production quality. It's connected via a SuperSpeed USB cable to our host PC. The host PC is running standard Windows 7 with the Windows Media Player 12 that comes with Windows 7. It's running the standard Microsoft MTP stack, and we're using the PDK hardware and the PDK USB 3 software stack that comes with the PDK. And for purposes of comparison, we've connected a standard USB 2 media player that also uses Windows Media Player for synchronization, so that we can compare some real-world use cases that will make a difference to the user. So, what we're looking at here is the Windows Media Player control screen. You can see we have two media players, the Sansa C240, which is a USB 2 media player, and the portable media player from MCCI, which is a USB 3 media player. So what I'm going to do is send some music over to each of these media players. So you can see that there's no music on the USB 2 media player. So I'll go to my music library. I'll select my music library. I'll take it over here to the sync list, and I'll start the sync. If I come down here, this is the synchronization status as the songs are being pushed over to the USB 2 media player. And you can see that they move along, but it's not very fast. So now, while this is happening, I'm going to go do the same operation on the SuperSpeed music player. You can see there's no songs there right now. I'll change this to look at the MCCI player. I'll change here, again, select all the songs, drag them over. I'll look at the sync status. We'll start the sync. And you can see it moves much more quickly. And now we are done. Whereas we go back to the USB 2 media player, it's still only 35% done. Well, now 37%. This makes a big difference. It really restores the immediacy of the integration of the media player with the user interface. So it restores the same kind of exciting experience that we got when the first iPods came out, and we can synchronize our music collection to the media player in seconds. So MCCI thinks this is going to have a big impact on the industry. This synchronization will still go on for quite a while. We'll let it run, and we'll end the demo portion of this and go on with some final remarks. So, in addition to synchronizing music, another big use case is synchronizing movies. And this is an area where SuperSpeed really has a big advantage. With this system, we're able to synchronize a 1.5 hour movie with about 500, 600 megabytes of content in 8 seconds. This is a big difference to the minute or two that it takes with USB 2. and it's going to make a big difference in how much users are going to want to put movies onto their media players. So the most exciting thing about all of the USB 3 development is how rapidly the technology is maturing. With this demo, you can see we have a complete USB hardware solution from Synopsys, a complete USB 3 software solution from MCCI, running with the existing PC infrastructure. So you can start to develop products today knowing that they will work flawlessly with Windows, no matter what time Microsoft comes out with their host stack. And in the interim between Microsoft's host stack and the production of your device, there will be third-party stacks from companies like MCCI that will let you ship a total solution to your customers. Thanks very much for your attention.